Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 1968 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, also known as a C3 series. We'll hop in, we'll do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are, 1968 Corvette convertible. We'll do a little cold start here, give it one pump. Fires right up. Great sound from those side pipes, chrome side pipes. We'll warm it up and we'll be back to you. All right, so here we are. We've got a little temperature in our 68 Corvette convertible. All the gauges are working. Good oil pressure. 4-speed manual box. It's a Muncie. Pulls really well. Really great open air motoring. Quintessential American sports car. You say Corvette, everybody knows exactly what they're talking about. Good power, good brakes, good clutch, good gearbox. Again, great exhaust note from those side pipes. We're going to take her up to the S's and we'll be back to you. All right, here we go through the S's. Ooh, a little tire spin from the power. Really good responsive. We'll drop jack off up here and we'll do some flybys for you. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Beautiful day today. Great day for convertible. Car really runs and drives very well. Upgrade in the suspensions as well. Tie rod ends. Cross leaf spring is updated. It's got the side pipes, got the mag wheels. It's got a new convertible top. It's been completely repainted. Frame off restored. The whole frame was powder coated as well. Really runs and drives excellent. We will take her up to the farm road and open her up. All right, here we are. Open her up a little bit. Wow, listen to those side pipes. Really awesome sounding car. Really get the full feel in a convertible. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Almost don't feel like going back to work, but unfortunately we have to. So like and comment below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.